Good morning, class. How are you today? I hope you're doing good. To formally start our class, may I request Prisha Jane to lead the prayer. Thank you, Prisha Jane. Who wants to lead the action song? Okay, Nathan. Okay, thank you, Nathan. Very good. Okay, everybody sit down. I will check your attendance. Say present if your name is being called. Okay, we have 2 absences, 1 girl and 1 boy. So class, sit down properly and listen carefully. Our topic for today, class, is all about addition and subtraction of fraction. But before that, class, may I know what is fraction is? Okay, very good, Kyle. Fraction is a number set that names a part of a whole or set. I have here an example, class. A pizza pie. Pizza pie has 4 pieces. And then, I'll get the one I give to Nathan. So, the whole number of the whole set of this pizza is what we call the denominator, which is 4. And the one pizza that I get to give to Nathan is the numerator. Again, class, the number that on the top is what we call numerator. And then, the number that on below is called the denominator. Denominator ni siya, class, ha? Don't forget the denominator. Then, another example, class. I have here a sandwich or sliced bread. I have 6 pieces of sliced bread. Then, I give these 2 slices to Cheryl. So, what is the fraction, class? Again, what is the whole set of this example? So, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 6. Our denominator here is 6. And the numerator, kung pila ang nakuha, class, amuna ang numerator. Again, class, ang number 6, class, ginkuha ko na siya sa kinatibuk-an sang sliced bread, which is 6. And then, ang tunga naa sa taas, class, amo ni siya kung pila ang nakuha sa kinatibuk-an. So, the fraction here, class, is 2, 6. Always remember, class, again, that the number is on the top is what we call numerator, and the below is called the numerator. Again, class, denominator. Again, class, what is on the top? Very good, Nathan. It's a numerator. And below. Okay, very good, Miguel. It's a denominator. Again, let's try, class. I have here another example. Anna has 3 pieces of an apples, but her friend Jen wants to get 1 apple to Anna. So, what is the fractions? What is the fractions, class? Okay, very good. 1/3. Why is 1/3, class? Because Anna has 3 apples. And then, ipangayo sa iya nga friend, which is Jen. Ipangayo niya ang isa. Mauna nga, 1/3 ang ato nga fraction, class. Again, class, ang numerator here is 1. And then, the denominator here is 3. Ang kinatibuk-an, class, kinatibuk-an nga set sang aton nga example, amo na siya ang denominator. Again, class, ha, para di ka mo malibog. Denominator is, mao siya ang kinatibuk-an sa set sang aton example. Then, ang 1 is kung ano ang nakuha sa kinatibuk-an sini nga apple. Okay, class? Do you have question? Okay, if you don't have question, I have another example here, class. Fraction gyapon ni siya, class. I have whole bond paper. Then, if I will cut this, I will fold this one, class, into 2. Mahimo siyang 1/2. Okay, 1/2. Then, I will fold another, class. Mahimo siyang 1/4. Okay? And then, I fold another. Mahimo siyang 1/8. Okay, class, amo na siya ang example sa fraction para dili makamo malibog next time. Okay? Do you have any question? Okay, if you don't have questions at class, proceed. Let's proceed to another example. Steven prepared dalandan juice for his daughter. He mixed 1 cup of dalandan juice and 3/5 cup of water. How many cup of liquid did he mix? So, ang pangutana, how many cup of liquid did he mix? Is to solve the problem, class, we need to add 1/5 and 3/5. Or, kung atong isulat ni siya, 1/5 plus 3/5. To find the sum of 1/5 and 3/5, consider the following models. To understand more, class, I will use a models to understand more about the fraction. So again, what is the fraction of here, class? Look at the model below. Okay, ang kinatibukan niya is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The whole set of this example is 5. Okay, 5. Mauna siyang denominator. Again, class, kung unsa ang whole set sang ating example, amo na siya ang denominator. Kung unsa ang nakuha sang kinatibukan, mao ang numerator. Okay, 1/5. Okay, another one. Okay, again, pila ang iyang kuan? Pila ang iyang whole set? Okay, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 5 pila ang nakuha, class? 3/5. 1, 2, 3. Amo siya ang 3/5 ang iyang fraction. To solve 1/5 and 3/5, atong i-add, class. So, mao ni siya ang result. Then, whole set, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Denominator. Then, ang nakuha niya is 4. So, 1/5 or another, para mas easy sa inyo, 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 5 plus, because ang iyang common denominator are the same, so copy the common denominator. So, therefore, class, Steven makes 4/5 cup of liquid. Okay? Do you have question, class? Okay. Let's proceed to similar fractions. What is similar fractions, Cheryl? Okay, very good. Similar fractions is with the same denominator. Okay. Again, class, look at the pictures. Asa man ni ani ang denominator? Okay, very good. 9 is the denominator. So, class, to solve the similar fraction in addition, class, first step, of course, copy the given fraction. Another, class, second step, add the numerator. Okay, 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Then, the same man ang ilang denominator, class, is copy the denominator. So, class, third step, simplify if needed. So, masimplify pa man siya kay unsa man ang number nga pwede ma-divide sa 6 and 9. So, 3. O, 6 divide 3 is equal to 2. Then, 9 divide 3 is equal to 3. So, the answer, class, is 2/3. Okay? You have a question, class? Okay, proceed to question number 2. Example number 2, rather. Okay, 10 plus 5 over 30. Okay, class, again, always remember the step in getting the addition in similar fraction, class. So, first step, of course, copy the given fraction. Then next, add the numerator. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Then, copy the common denominator, which is 30. Okay, class, ma-divide pa nato ang 50 og 30? Okay, very good. Yes. So, what number ang pwede na ito ma-divide sa 50? So, 50 itself. 15 itself. So, 15 times 15 divided by 15 is equal to 1. And then, 15 divided by 30 divided by 15 is equal to 2. So, our answer, class, is 1 and 1/2. So, let's proceed to kuan, class. Any question about the addition in similar fraction, class? Okay, let's proceed to subtraction of similar fraction. So, I have here an example, class. 5 5/8 minus 1/8. So again, class, the same with the process of addition in similar fraction, the same lang siya sa subtraction, of course. So copy, of course, copy the given fraction, and then second step, subtract the numerator. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Then copy the common denominator, which is 8. So pwede pa man siya ma-divide, class. Simplify na to, class. So 2. 4 rather. 4. Pwede siya ma-divide sa 4. So 4/8 is equal to 1/2. Okay. Any question, class, in subtraction? Okay, I have another example. 8/10 minus 1/10. Again, class, of course, we copy the given fraction. Then, second is to subtract the numerator. So, 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. Then, copy the denominator. So, class, ang 7/10, masimplify pa nato siya, class. What number nga pwede nato ma-divide sa ilaha nga duha? So, wala. Dili siya pwede ma-simplify. Kaya wala siyang number nga pwede ma-divide sa duha nga number. Okay. Proceed, class. Do you have question in addition and subtraction? Okay. Wala na. Let's proceed to the similar fraction. Okay. Krisha Jane, what is the similar fractions? Okay, very good. The similar fraction is denominators are different. There is a ganyan nga similar, class. Ang atong denominator is the same. Pareha ang atong denominator. If you observe, pareha tanan ang atong denominator. Sa ato naman nga, the similar fraction, ang atong denominator is different. Lahi ang iya nga denominator. If you observe, class. Look at the example, class. Addition in the similar fraction. So, 1/2 plus 2/5. So, class, in getting the decimal fraction in addition, class, follow the step lang, class, para mas madali nimong makuha ang answer. So, of course, write the given fraction. Then next, determine. Kaya di man siya pariha o kuan, class. Di man siya pariha o denominator. So, atong pangitaon ang ilaha nga common denominator. So, I have here, class. If you recall your past lesson, class, we already tackled about listing method. So, another way of multiplication table. Okay, class. Listing method. So, atong pangitaan o common denominator ang 2 and 5. So, here, class. 2 and 5. What? Look at the board, class. Unsa man nga number ang the same nilang duha? Okay, very good. Clap your hands. Clap your hands to Nathan. 10. 10, class. Okay, very good. So, 10. 10 ang atong denominator, class, ha? Common denominator na to. Okay, to get the numerator, class. Usaon naman po na to? Okay. You divide this denominator. Silang duha, diba? Denominator man na silang duha. I-divide na nimo siya, class. Then, okay. Ang result na niya, class, imo siyang i-times into numerator. Okay. 10 divided by 2. Pila man? Okay, 4. 4 times 1. Okay, 4. I'm sorry, class. 10 divided by 2 is 5, brother. Then, 5 times 1 is 1. Okay, again. I-divide lang ang iyahang denominator. Silang duha nga denominator. Imo na siyang i-divide, class. Then, i-times niyo siya sa numerator. Okay. 10 times 5 is equal to 2. Then, 2 times 2 is equal to 4. So, next step, class, add the numerator. Okay, 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Then, copy. Okay, the same naman ang denominator. copy the common denominator. Okay, so the answer, class, of 1/2 and 2/5 is 9 10. Okay, another example, class. Another example na po ta sa subtraction of dissimilar fractions, class. Okay, in subtraction, class, again, we are talking about decimal fraction. So, we find the LCD or the least common denominator of 24 and 25 para mapareha, ma-the-same ang ilang denominator. Again, I will use listing method for the easy way of solving multiplication. Okay, I have here 24 and 15. So again, look at the picture, class. Look at the picture. What number nga nagkapariha? What number ang nasa 24 ug nasa 15? Okay, very good, Kyle. Clap your hands to Kyle. 120. I know. 24 times 124. Okay, look at lang. Tanawa lang ninyo ang model, class. Okay. 120 again, class. Divide lang nimo ni siya, class, para makuha nimo ang numerator. I-divide lang nimo ang kada denominator. So, 120 times 24 is 5. 5 na ni siya, class. Then, i-times nimo siya sa 9. So, 5 times 9 is 45. 45, class. Okay, another denominator. Imo ni siyang i-divide. Divide ang iya nga kada denominator. Okay, 120 divide 15. Pila man, class? Okay, 8. 8 times 4, 32. Okay. Okay, class, our numerator here is 45 minus 32. So, again, copy the numerator and subtract. Subtract the numerator, 45 minus 32. Pila man, class? 45. Okay, very good. 13. 13, then copy the common denominator, which is 120. So, the answer of 924 minus 415 is 13 over 120. Okay, class, any question? Okay, if you don't question, let's proceed to the next. Okay. Mixed fraction, class. Okay. Mixed fractions are fractions that have a whole number part and a proper fraction part. Okay. I have here an example of mixed fraction of addition. Okay, when we see whole number, amo ni siya, class, ang whole number, class, kanin 3. Then 1. Muna siya ang whole number. Then proper fraction, class, is mao ni siya ang fraction nga 1/4 and 1/4. To add this one, class, copy the whole fraction, which mao ni siya whole fraction. Imo siya sanang i-copy. Then copy ang ilaha nga proper fraction, meaning 1/4 plus 1/4. So, class, to add this one, class, 3 plus 1, muna siya ang 4. Then, i-add lang nimo ang kaninga fraction, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Then, copy the denominator, which is 4. So, the answer is 4 and 1/2. So, masimplify pa man nato na siya, class. Don't forget, class, if needed to simplify, i-simplify nato para makuha nato ang correct answer. So, ma-divide pa man nato siya into 2, class. So, 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Then, 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Then, don't forget to copy the whole number. So, the answers of 3/1/4 plus 1/1/4 is 4 and 1/2. Okay. For this example is for addition. Next to subtraction. Ari naman ta sa subtraction, class. The same process with the addition. Okay. 10, 5, 6, minus 7, 3, 8. Okay. Again, class, we find the least common denominator para makuha nato ang correct answer. So, what is the common denominator of 6 and 8? So, again, I will use a listing method. So, 6 and 8. Again, class, look at my listing method, class. So, 6 and 8. What number ang pariha dire? So, 24. 24 and 48 ang common number of 6 and 8. But, we are looking for least common denominator, which is kanang kinagamyan nga nagkapariha. So, unsa may kinagamyan nilang duha dire? So, 24. So, our denominator here, class, is 24. Again, to find the numerator, i-divide lang nimo ang kada denominator. Okay? 24 divided by 6 is 4. 4 times 5 is 20. Then, 24 divided by 8 is 3. Times 3 is 9. Okay, next step. Subtract the whole numbers and the numerator. Okay, subtract the whole number. Asa man aning example, class, ang whole number? Okay, very good, Sarah. 10 minus 7 is the whole number. Okay, copy the whole number. Then, copy sa nimo siya para di ka malibog copy. Then, class, subtract. 10 minus 7 is 3. And 20 minus 9. Pila gani? 20 minus 9? Okay, very good. 11. Then, copy the denominator. Okay, class, do you understand in addition and subtraction of mixed fractions? If you have any question, class, don't hesitate to ask me, ha? Para naamoy makatunan, mapauli mo nga naamoy nakatunan sa akong klase. Do you understand, class? Okay, very good. Okay, if you don't have any question, class, I have here an example. Wants to go to the board and answer the following problem. Okay, go to the board. Nita, number 1. Number 2, Krisha Jane. Number 3, Sarah. Number 4, Kyle. Number 5, Cheryl. And number 6, Shinami. Okay? I'll give you 5 minutes to answer. Okay? Are you done, class? Okay, very good. Okay, I will check your work if it's correct. Okay. Okay, class. 3 plus 1 is equal to 5. Then, copy the common denominator. Okay, clap your hands to Nathan. Yeah, correct answer. Okay. Number 2, Krisha Jane. Is this your work? Okay, let me see. Okay. Let me see if your work is correct. Okay, 10 minus 2 is 8. Then copy the common denominator, 15. Okay, very good, Krisha Jane. Clap your hands to Krisha Jane. Okay. Number 3. This is 4. This is the answer any number 3. Okay, Sarah. Let me check your work. Is it correct? Okay, your work, Sarah. Okay, very good, Sarah. It is because the denominator is dissimilar, so you find a common denominator. Very good, Sarah. So, the common denominator here is 8. Then 8 divided by 2 is 4. Okay? 8 divided by 4 is 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, very good. 8 divided by 2 is 4 times 1, 4. Okay, very good, Sarah. Clap your hands for Sarah. Very good. Maalam din ang akong mga estudyante ba? Okay, number 4. Okay, kita ka answers number 4. Kyle. Okay, let me check your work. It's correct. Okay, again, this is a dissimilar fraction. So, what is the LCD or the least common denominator of 8 and 16? Okay, 48. Very good. 48 divided by 8 is 6. Okay, 6 times 3, 18. Okay, very good. Okay, 48 divided by 6 is 3. Okay, I know. 8. 48 divided by 6 is 8. Times 2 is 16. Okay, to simplify, I'm gonna mix number din siya. So, 2 class, add the whole number. Okay, very good. Very good, Sarah. Great job, Sarah. So, add the whole number, 9. Then, copy the numerator. Okay, okay. So, answer class is 9. So, 9, copy the whole number. Then, 18 plus 16, 34. Then, copy the common denominator. Okay, very good. Very good, Sarah. Clap your hands to Sarah. Good job. Okay, next. This is for work of Cheryl. Let me check. Like that. Sorry. Let me check if it's correct. Again. Wala siya. Yeah. Okay, class. So, what is the common denominator of 10 and 3? So, 30. Again, it is mixed fraction. Minus, it is subtraction. So, subtract the whole number. Subtract the whole number, class. So, okay, very good. It's 3. 3 ang 8 minus 5. Then, again, class, to get the numerator, divide the denominator. 30 divided by 10 is 3. Times 4 is 12. Okay. 30 divided by 3 is 10. I'm sorry. 30 divided by 3 is... Okay, your work, Sarah, Sherry. Okay, let me check. Okay, 30 divided by 10 is 3, 12. 30 divided by 3, 3. So, this is 10. 10, unta ni siya. 30 divided by 3 is 10. So, 10 ni siya. 10 times 2 is 20. So, 20. The answer here is 32. Okay, 32 class. Ang answer, 32 over 30. Okay. Then, copy the whole number, which is 3. Okay. Great job, Cheryl. Clap your hands to Cheryl. Okay, number 6. This is work 4. This work is Shenami. Okay, Shenami, let me check if your work is correct. Okay, find the LCD. So, 27. 27 divided by 9 is 3 times 3, 9. Okay, very good. 27 divided by 3, 7 times 2, 14. So, very good. So, the answer is 23 and 23, 27. Okay, very good, class. Clap your hands. Great job, class. Okay. Okay, I have here. Okay, class. Get one whole sheet of paper. Okay? Answer this following question or following problem. Okay? I'll give you 10 minutes to answer. Look at the problem carefully. Look at if the denominator are the same or the denominator are different or it is mixed number. I already tackled a while ago the similar fraction, the dissimilar fraction, and the mixed fraction of addition, subtraction. Okay. Are you done, class? Okay, if you're done, pass your paper in front. Okay. Okay, class, for our next meeting, for your assignment, class, study in advance the multiplication and division of fraction. Okay? Okay, please stand up. Who wants to lead the prayer? Okay, Kyle, lead the prayer. Okay, thank you, Kyle. Okay, goodbye, class. See you tomorrow.